Good morning, everybody. Here's another example of one of Proformance Unlimited's custom-built crate engines. Why are we a little different than everybody? Well, number one, we always say we like to dyno test so we can check for leaks, horsepower, torque ratings, all that good stuff. Now, here's the quality. This happens to be a 427 Cobra engine. It starts out with a dark Windsor block. It's got a bore of a 4 1/8, 4/125 bore. It's got a forged crank, an H-beam rod, a forged piston, all hand file rings. Phenomenal build. Got a canned oil pan on here, AFR cylinder heads, Taylor wires. We got a Concept 1 full boat system on here. We got a black distributor MSD, all mechanical weights and spring set. We got a nice 5-tech EFI system on here and beautiful Cobra valve covers. Hey, even our AFR cylinder heads on this have been reworked. We rework our springs. We do everything it takes to get our motors running properly, perform unbelievably. If you're looking for a great custom-built turnkey crate engine, there's no other than Proformance Unlimited. Thank you. 1-800-267-3940.
Wait for that nice RPM to come down automatically. Nice.